right? So this right here is called the command pattern. From what I've seen, it has four things in particular. It has, the first one is the command interface itself. The second part is the concrete command class, or rather classes. Third one is the device, or the receiver actually. The last is the invoker. Now here's what happens. So if we take a look at this repository over here, awesome low level design, we can see that the this is for by the way Spotify. Essentially, this is the UML diagram for what might be Spotify's actual design. Obviously, it's far from it, but here we can see this is the music streaming system. This system right here is the invoker, and the invoker's function is to very simply call certain functionalities, certain commands. Now, obviously, one good design pattern is to always code for a certain interface rather than an actual implementation of it. That way, you don't have to worry about what's lying underneath the actual interface. You just call the function. So calls to the interface, not the implementations. This is the interface. Command interface right over here is what defines the execute command. Now, it can be anything. Usually, industry standard is to call it execute command, and this function is what is called here. Now, sorry. So we have three command classes that implement this interface, and it's these classes that call the receiver. Okay, so the receiver is the one that actually implements and exposes various APIs, various functionalities. In this case, pause, play, next, load, change state, and etc. etc. And these commands essentially are orchestrators. They call the various APIs from the receivers, and they allow the invoker to not care about what's happening underneath, right? The system doesn't care whether it's play, pause, or next track. It just cares about executing a certain command and based on the user interactions. So the various based on the button they have clicked, etc. And so each command is then executed, and so this forms a very neat level of abstraction that allows you to code very easily. And that's just all there is to the command interface. Four things lastly: there's the invoker, the one who calls; there's the receiver, the one who executes; there's the command interface, which is the abstraction for the invoker; there's the concrete classes, which are the abstraction over the receiver. So there's two layers of abstraction, right? And that's all there is to it. Thank you.